Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
By the way, my name is Chi. Nice to meet you.
My name is Lin. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Lin?
Right.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
18 years old?
Yes,
What do you do?
I'm a first year student.
First year student?
Yes,
Do you like it to school?
yes I do. I like it very much.
Very much?
Yes,
Do you usually go to school on weekends?
yes I do. I do it very often.
You do it very often?
Yes,
How often do you go to school?
I go to school 5 days a week.
5 days a week.
Yes,
Usually go to school
I usually go to school in the morning.
in the morning.
Yes,
What time do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school at 7 a.m.
7 a.m.
Yes,
Who do you usually go to school with?
I usually go to school with my friend.
With your friend?
Yes,
How many people are there in your class?
there are 50 people in my class.
50 people?
Yes,
How many students are there in your school?
there are about 4,000 students in my school.
About 4,000 students?
Yes,
Where's your school?
my school's in Levenhill Street.
Levenhill Street?
Yes,
How far is it from your room to the school?
it's about 300 meters from my room to my school.
About 300 meters?
Yes,
How do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school by bike.
By bike?
Yes,
How long does it take you to get to the school?
it takes me about 5 minutes to get there.
About 5 minutes?
Yes,
What time do you usually come back home from school?
I usually come back home from school at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Yes,
What do you usually do before going to school?
before going to school, I usually do my homework.
Do your homework?
Yes,
What do you usually do after coming back home from school?
after coming back home from school, I usually have lunch.
Have lunch?
Yes,
May I have your phone number?
yes, of course. It's 0963
0963
421
421
754.
754.
Yes, 0963 421 754.
0963 421 754.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Ta ta.
Ta-ta.